Yo, what is going on? What is going on, everybody? W's in the chat. If you can hear me, W's in the Let's go. It's been a slow Monday today, guys. I'm not even gonna lie. Not even gonna lie, it's been a slow Monday. It's been a slow Monday. On what though? Yesterday. Negative. Positive cells. Settle. So right now I'm just doing some quick back testing. Just trying to see something. Negative. Let me see. Negatively speaking. Let's go to March the 4th. March the 4th. March the 4th. Skipping past all this. Skipping past all this. Skipping past all this. March 4th. Not April, not May, but March the 4th. Come on, April. Come on, let's see what's into March. Come on. Oh, March 23rd. 17th. Somewhere here. Somewhere here, the 5th. Got you. All right, I'm just trying to figure something out here. Okay, March the 4th. Next one was April 1st. Let's go to the 1st of April. 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 Getting closer. 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 Okay, 1st of April. Following day. Page session. Sell. All right. May the 6th. May the 6th. May the 6th. May the 6th. First of May, 6th of May. All right. I know what I need to know now. Let's break down gold. All right. Let's take a look at gold and see all the shenanigans gold has been up to today, guys. Let's see what gold has been up to today. So yeah, today with gold, nothing too crazy. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, gold sold off like crazy. Sorry, US 30 sold off like crazy, right? So at this moment in time, all we have done is just made a new lower low. That's that. I do think it's still going to sell. Why do I think it's going to sell? Very, very simple. Very simple. We are just making lower lows, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. This is a nice lower high, sweeping liquidity. Price is going to sell back to the downside. So this is what I think is going to happen with US 30. Sells to the downside. But let's take a more focused approach on what happened today. All right. So what did US 30 get up to today? So first and foremost, I'm just going to turn off this session indicator. right? Let's go to the full screen mode for a moment. And let's get intricate right now, guys. Let's get a little bit into some details inside the markets. What's going on? What's happening? Why did this do this? And why did that do that? Right, so I'm marking out the previous day high from Friday. We call it P high. Then I'm going to mark out the low from Friday as well. These are relevant points inside the market. If you ignore them, then you're ignoring the whole flipping move. P high and P low has been marked out, as you can see. Next up, let's mark out Asia session high and Asia session low. So Asia high is marked out in the black. And Asia low is marked out here also in the black. Asia high and Asia low has been marked out. This is on the 1H. So now let's dive into the 15-minute time frame and see, can we find any potential sort of entry? So this morning there was an actual nice setup in the morning, right? So as you can see, we kind of swept these lows over here, right? So this is the low. One, price came back. Two, then the third time within our session window. This is what I love, trading within your session window. So we like to trade this around 8 o'clock all the way to 11. Okay, this is what we call the window of opportunity. So yes, we've got that sweep on the 15-minute time frame. So what we like to do is dive into lower time frames and see, can we find a potential entry? And yes, indeed we did. So here's what happened, right? This is price action. This is what price is doing. Yeah. So let's take a quick explanation what's happening during Asia session. Yeah. So Asia session, we pushed up, we pushed down, we pushed up, we pushed down, right? So now we're here. We have our lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Sorry, it's not big enough. So lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, so on and so forth. Just bear with me. And we are back. So yeah, so that's gold, lower highs and lower lows, right? So this is basically what happened during London session, right? So during London session, price came, we swept these lows. Exactly what we're looking for. We made a lower high, higher low, boom, now we have a higher high, higher low. This would have been the best opportunity to look for a trade somewhere here. As long as your trade is a 1:2, 1:3, you're all good. So even something like this, tight stop loss if you wish, 1:3. This is even a 1:3.7. Even if you tone it down a little bit, wow, nice, 1:3. What the price do afterwards? Sold off to the downside, a little game, couple games have been played over here. Then from that point, as you can see, price has shot up towards the upside. We had New York session open with this candle here, shot up, we swept those highs. As you can see, we swept these highs, price came back, boom, around 45, making a new higher high. So as you can see here, when price made a new higher high, so we have our low down here, we have our high, we have our low, so now we have a new high. So all we have to do is just wait for price to come back, mitigate this area, boom, and what did price do from there? We shot towards the upside. Simple, effective, easy. So during New York session, you could have definitely found some sort of entry. Let's go into the 1 minute for a moment and see was anything interesting on US 30. push to the downside, low high, lower low. Half 3. Maybe. Could have potentially got sells somewhere here and just sold it to somewhere here for 1:3 from what I can see on the 1 minute time frame. Could have done that, yeah. Why do I say you could have done this? Well, it's very simple. This is price action, higher high, higher low. Now we're just trading internally. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. New higher high. We broke this level of structure, as you can see over here. Price corrected to this zone, then it started to sell off. Then boom, around 4 o'clock, it reversed. So yeah, that's basically what's been going on with US 30. So right about now, we're just trying to see, is there any other areas US 30 is most likely going to go to? Just based off what I'm seeing here on the 15-minute time frame, before we get that sell-off, I think US 30 is going to buy to this area. So I'm expecting US 30 to buy to here. So here's what I would love to see when US 30 reaches this area. Doesn't really matter how it approaches. We want to see a sweep. I want to see price break below, make a lower low, something like this for price to shoot towards the downside. So this is the idea that I have right now for US 30 once it reaches this zone inside the market. Don't know when it's going to reach it, but when it does reach it, I just know for a fact that boom, this is it. This is where it's going. This is what's happening. And yeah. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much that with US 30. So now let's take a quick look at gold. So gold is pretty much telling me everything I need to know. So basically, we were looking for sells on gold earlier on, sells to buys. Reason being is because we are in a clear uptrend with gold, guys. So as you can see, gold is making higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. If you cannot see it, let me show you here. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Now we're at the higher low. Price has more potential to push towards the upside like so. So this is what I think gold is going to do. We've got the retest over here, which is beautiful to see. So yes, I'm going to go into the 15-minute time frame and see what's going on during New York session. So during New York session, our window of opportunity is actually here from 2 o'clock all the way to 4 o'clock. So nothing too special, in my opinion. All price did was just nothing. Then it sold off. So we're going to be looking for some more potential setups around Asia session. So yeah, Asia session, let's see what's in store with gold. So right now we're retesting the Asia highs. So while it's retesting Asia highs, let's jump into the lower time frame. So what I would like to see if I want to buy again on gold is price to maybe shoot up a little bit, come back down, and then go to New York's high. That's where the target's going to be for me right now, New York's high. So the 4681 area is where I would most likely say gold is most likely going to go to now. So that's a 4681 area. So that's pretty much the best breakdown we can do for now in terms of the overlap from London to New York. That's the best we can do at this moment in time. I will be streaming very shortly again for Asia session just to see basically what's happening now, what's happening with the aftermath for gold, GJ, and US30. So we actually did not take a deep look into GJ. So let's just take a little dive into GJ and see what's going on, what's been happening. So GJ potential sells were caught this morning over here. Same situation. We mark out our highs, we mark out our lows, we wait for it to get swept. Once it got swept, we sold our entry model with the 5P framework. Price sold off to the downside and vice versa, even down here. London sessions lows got swept during our overlap to New York session. Always ask ourselves, are we getting a reversal or continuation? In this situation, we got a reversal towards the upside. Swept that, came below, now we came back, and now we are selling. So in terms of GJ, I'm going to hold off for now. There's nothing too appealing on my eyes to take any trades on this. So yeah, we're going to just hold off on that. So yeah, that's pretty much the breakdown for now, guys. So we're going to be streaming in about 4 hours from now. So we're going to take a look at Asia session and see what is in store for Asia session with GJ, gold, and US30. So gold, I am thinking something interesting is going to happen. Not right now, but very, very soon. I am bullish at this moment in time. So let's just wait and see what happens next, is all I'm going to say. Other than that, my people, as per usual, thank you guys for tuning in today. We're going to be streaming again in a couple of hours. So yeah, I hope to see you guys soon once more. Other than that, my people, I am signing out. If you got any questions, make sure you just hit me up on Instagram at 5P trading _. If you want to find me anywhere, Instagram is the best location. I'm posting reels every single day, giving you guys updates on pretty much everything, you know, updates on gold specifically and all the other challenges I'm doing, 50Ks, 100Ks, so on and so forth. So yes, guys, I will catch you guys very soon. Peace out.